Welcome to our state-of-the-art facility. We'll walk you through the 6 stages of our manufacturing process, from initial assembly to global distribution.
Our integrated process ensures quality at every stage, moving from raw materials through assembly and quality control straight to shipping.
Keep it coming straight back. All right, chains are clear. Okay, bring the crane down slow. Keep coming straight back, easy now. All right, hold it right there. We'll start with the beams.
Look at this reading on the tablet. The surface roughness is higher than the spec.
Yes, I see it.
Yeah.
We need to flag this batch.
Look at the gauge reading on the far left. It's showing a deviation.
Yeah, and the microtexture here is rougher than expected.
I've logged it.
We need to check the batch reports.
The CNC machine precisely shapes the steel wheel, ensuring perfect balance for high-speed stability.
Alignment on axle 3 is within tolerance.
Confirmed. Stress test results look good. We are clear.
The laser alignment looks good, but the thermal stress data on axle 3 is slightly elevated.
It's within tolerance, but let's monitor it. Double check the mounting brackets for the interior panels here. We can't proceed until those are secured.
Already on it. They should be finished by the next shift.
We need to adjust the positioning of this internal bracket.
Okay, I'll mark it now before the next sequence. Steady now, bring it down 50 centimeters. Locked on target, we have full structural integrity.
Aerodynamic stability check is green. Proceed with the weld.
Roger that. Fusing seam 7.
Okay, pull it through to the main junction.
Got it. Securing the clamp now.
Make sure the bracing is tight on section gamma 4.
Got it. I'll double check the tension now. Easy now, just a little higher on the east side. Watch those cables. All right, we are almost clear.
Power on.
Stable voltage confirmed. All parameters green.
Power engagement successful. All parameters stabilizing within tolerance.
Confirmed. We have full system stability. All diagnostics are reading nominal now. The amber alert cleared.
Very good. Systems check complete. We are ready.
We had an amber warning on the power regulators, but it cleared. Yes, the influx stabilized. System is online and ready.
The gloss readings are consistent across the panel.
Right, within the tolerance, we can approve this batch.
The gloss units are well within tolerance here.
Confirmed. The uniformity looks excellent across the entire section.
Laser shows green, tolerances are good. Verified.
Proceed with securing the bolts.
Applying torque now. Check sensor readings.
Readings are stable. We have a pass.
Torque reading is stable at 150 Newton meters. Excellent. Let's move to the rear mount.
Powertrain integration. The motors and gearboxes are now secured to the train's underframe.
Power sequence initiated. All systems nominal. We are bringing the traction motors online now. The power distribution levels are holding steady across all segments.
Confirmed. Telemetry looks good. We are clear for the initial run.
Power fluctuations are minimal across the grid. Looks stable.
Diagnostics complete. We are go for the initial test run.
The primary servo peaked above the threshold. We need to analyze that spike.
The schematic shows a fluctuation in the power coupling.
The torque vectoring looks stable now.
Yes, agreed. The redundancy check just cleared. We are good to proceed.
Attention all stations, this is a communication systems check. Testing 1, 2, 3.
All systems nominal.
Control, this is Train 72 reporting a successful communication systems check. Intercoms and PA are functional.
The static pressure held perfectly. Look at the response curve.
Excellent. I'll log this as a pass.
All parameters are within spec. The validation is complete.
Confirmed. Generating the final report now.
The system validation is complete.
All tests passed according to standards.
Excellent work. Finalize the report.
Bogie assembly looks stable at 5 kilometers per hour. We are clear for continued movement.